Day 3 of the demolition. Wait, where's the camera? Or that side, okay. Day 3 of demolition. Today was a tough one. It was really, really hot and we were just dripping with sweat, so I'm done with today.
Very humid. And the bus, we left it closed up all morning, so as soon as we got in, it was probably 105, 110 in here, easy. And we were just sweating. Started to get some air venting through, got some fans in the overheads like we'd done before. This is Mella.
This is done.
And we're sharing our experience as we reinvent our habitat. I had some great success pulling out the driver's side bin.
Yeah, it came crashing down.
We're old pros at stripping it, getting the aluminum apart. We're gonna have a ton of aluminum. I'm really curious to see how much aluminum we're gonna have because we'll be able to recycle it. Maybe it'll help pay for a little bit of our
dishwasher
or refrigerator, something like that. So we may have a contest here to see if you can guess how much money we're gonna get from our aluminum we recycle. So the next step is going to be investigating in the ceiling. We already started to look a little bit. I think we're going to just take everything out of the ceiling, including the existing fiberglass insulation, so that we could probably do a spray foam insulation, just so we can increase our insulation rating, because if it's this hot on the first days of summer in the Midwest, it's going to be way too hot in the Southwest or in Southern California or any place the sun is shining a lot. Managed to get some of the wall out of the toilet, so all of the bathroom is now exposed. Next couple of days is going to be all about tearing out the bathroom. And
you're gonna get the toilet, right?
Oh, Jesus.
I'll go for a swim.
Yeah, we still have to deal with the old black tank, the toilet, the sink area.
We're getting there.
Very hot day, day 3, success. I'm gonna go take a cold shower and sit around in my underwear in the fridge.
Bad day of like, this sucks. And reaching up constantly was just not fun. And then this like fiberglass insulation and bits of metal like falling into your face, and that